So if you're looking to get more performance or a more aggressive stance out of your two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive Chevy, GMC, or Ford F-150 pickup, stick around and let me tell you about these new lowering kits from QA1. So these kits were designed for two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. At the heart of this kit is our tried and true front Pro Coil spring package. Our engineers paired up the perfect spring rate for these trucks with either a single or double adjustable Promastar shock. And what that's going to allow you to do is drop the front of the truck up to 3 inches with your stock arms and spindles. Now, if you want to go lower than that, these arms will work just fine with most popular aftermarket drop spindles, so no worries there. So with the stance down where we want it, now we can look at the valving. And with just a simple turn of a knob, we can go 18 clicks of adjustment for whatever need we have. Are we looking for more performance or more comfort? Quick turn of a knob, we're ready to go. And so if you'll notice down here, what we did was we beefed up this tie bar. We went to a 1-inch OD so that we could withstand the heavier payloads and curb weights that these trucks will endure. And of course, as always, these shocks are backed by a limited lifetime warranty from QA1, so if anything ever does go wrong, you know we got your back. And of course, we didn't forget about the rear. So we wanted to offer a couple different options there. For the Silverados and the Sierras, we've got a 2 to 3 inch drop range and a 4 to 6. On the F-150s, we've got a 4 to 6 inch drop range. And again, we've got your single, double, or non-adjustable options in the rear to help keep your budget in check. And yeah, the install on these couldn't be easier. If you've got common household tools and a floor jack, you can do this yourself, or if you're a professional shop, this is a piece of cake. This is a one-day install. You'll have your customers up and running in no time. And as always, these kits will come with detailed instructions. We'll have install videos available on our YouTube channel, and our expert tech support is always just a phone call away. So there you have it. If you're looking to change the attitude of your truck or increase the performance, come check out what QA1 has to offer for these lowering kits. Easy install, complete instructions, full lifetime warranty. For more product information, click the link below or check us out at qa1.net. Guys, don't forget, get out there and go drive it.